Good morning. My chest hurt all day yesterday, so I got down to taking me another heart pill and it quit for a little while. It's back up this morning, hurting right there in my chest. I guess it's getting old. I can tell the doctor when I see him too. Well, that's all that. Or he's having a fit. Let's see how much he's right. 156. He ain't too far off. It's all right, Ori. I remembered to put another deal in there. Oh, well. I like these little old containers. I use them for things. I save every damn thing. I'm like a pack rat. Well, it's snowing above 10,000 feet in the Sierras. My place up in the high mountains is snowing. Down in Death Valley is 120 something. 125, I think. You coming over here? You're a little late, dog. Chup. You'll be fine. You can make that distance. I ain't gonna mess with you. I don't know about things too much this morning. I think you dogs are silly. I take my heart medication. All you worry about is my sugar level. I know it's high. Not that bad. Butthead. I guess that's hell to wake up to sugar level 156. I'll take a mad for him. That'll break it down. Well, I'll tell you what, if you ain't got diabetes and you take one of these damn things, it'll drop your blood sugar so damn low you'll go into a coma. I read watched the deal with this woman's ex-mother-in-law. She went over to her house and got some metformin, took it back, ground him up for a new husband, and killed his ass, put him in a coma, and he died. Oh well. I'm always doing my blood sugar before I ever take one. It has to be over 150 to take one. That's what I do. My son's supposed to come down. We're gonna order some stuff off Amazon. They're gonna let me do it by myself. I basically get permission to order shit for myself. Ain't that sad? There you go. Come here, baby. Come to daddy. Come on, you can do it. Come on, baby. Come on, over here. Jump. I might put a coffee table there so he can walk across. He's looking at me, wants me to move my stuff off that TV tray so he can walk across that way. Got all them things there. I'm on it. Here we are. out of. Come on. Big boy's coming if you don't come on. There you go. Hear him? Here come. Now don't fighting over me. Oh wait, no. I'll push you off the floor. Leave big boy alone. He's just a baby. Baby puppy. He said he ain't no baby puppy. He's a big old ox. It's all right, big boy. Your toenails are killing me. Now I got dogs piled up on me. Boy just got up. Boys and mama girl, she went out. Baby girl. She went outside, took the boys outside. It's rainy, wet out there. It's rained every day for 2 weeks, I think. I can't hardly do anything outside. I went and paid bills, though. They let me do that. Yep, there we go. Just give them the card. They paid the bill. I guess I could call them and give them the card number, but hell with it. I like to go to places. I'm telling you. Still ain't got all that rubble out of them buildings in Florida. We don't know if there's any more survivors or more dead people. It's horrible. The heat wave out west and up north. All we're getting is rain. I guess China's changing the weather pattern, like they said. Yeah, pretty soon we're going to be able to grow rice. There ain't no lie there. We'll have a bunch of rice paddies instead of wheat fields in the Midwest. We'll have rice. He's a good puppy dog. They had their treats this morning. Little guy, who hoards his. He didn't eat his bacon strip, and he didn't eat his chewy stick. Big boy, he gobbled his up in 10 seconds. Quit. Oh, he probably ate his. I know baby girl ate hers. The little guy hides his like a cat. He'll wrap him up in blankets, and big boy goes around sniffing around in the blankets trying to find them. That's why you're the fat one. I don't know about today. That's all I'm telling you. The chest has been hurting. Oh well, I gotta get back on my blood thinners, I guess. Old ticker ain't no good. Yep. What are you hunting for? He's hunting for something. I ain't got no more treats. You're moving the box. Go ahead, get over here. There. You need a bath and you need brushed. Probably brush first, then a bath. How about that? Well, I ain't gonna stay on here very long this morning. It ain't even 6 o'clock. Took my Trulicity shot. Took my testosterone shot. Nicely on the arm. Crazy little dog. Oh, I got my other computer out the other day. My other laptop. It said I had to do a whole bunch of upgrades. Finally got it caught up. I guess I'm going to start switching from one day use one day use the other one. That's my 2 laptops. The other ones, hell, they probably went extinct. I got an HP and something else. I'll tell the other one is. It's Windows 10 in one of them. I know that for sure. That's HP. I don't like Windows 10. I guess I ain't used to using it. I get used to using anything. My new phone versus my old phone. I don't like how the camera is. You have to set it cocky wide. It's got 4 cameras on it anyway. I never did figure out that picture in the picture. I think that's stupid as shit. Either go one way or the other. It's like a damn drone. I gave mine away to my nephew. I gave it to my sister, and she gave it to my great nephew. Little 8, 9-year-old kid. Let him play with the damn thing. You get a lot of these people. They'll get a drone, and that's all you see on their damn footage is drone this and drone that. It's all right if you have less than 10 seconds on your video. Hell, I seen some of them had 30 minutes drone footage. Well, hell, who gives a shit? Hell, you might as well look at Google Earth then. That's what I figure. Trying to see what the hell's in this box. Oh, draw needle. The damn doctor didn't send me no prescription for draw needles. I got the regular shooting needles and my serum or whatever the hell they had, but they didn't give me no damn draw needles. One day I was laughing. I forgot to change the end from a draw needle to a damn injection needle. I stabbed it myself with that damn. Well, this damn thing won't even go through the skin. Boy, wouldn't it? I'm glad it didn't. The damn thing it's as damn big as my damn finger. Yeah. Made a bunch of bruise marks, but it didn't go through the skin. It was damn blunt. Yep. They claim that the new you got to be immunized, and the new COVID's coming out, killing people. Well, the mutation they call it. That's what it's called, mutation. Then they say we're going to have to take another updated or another booster shot. That's right. You guys have to have booster shots too, huh? He said they're so mad at one another. Or he's mad because he's up here, and he's mad because he's over on the arm. Because I got my box here, and he don't like to lay on it. Just because I moved it don't mean you're going to pile up on me either. He looks at me. The little guy sleeps with me. He tells him to go seat, and he's ready to go. Baby girl, she's on the van. Her and little guy, they're all cuddled up together now. If he can't sleep with me, he goes sleep with his mama. He has to have somebody to sleep with. He's not a dog you can have by yourself. I guess you want to keep him in your little lap all the time. Big old boy just laying here on my arm of the recliner. Or he stays his spot's down there by my knee. He gets up here by me, I guarantee you I'm about to go into convulsions or some shit. Well, you guys stay away from the heat. Stay inside like I'm doing during the rain. Supposed to be 80 something today, 88 I think, 86, something like that. And rain. Humidity's outrageous. My barometer's up there pegged out. Yeah. I like the early morning, waiting for the sun to rise. Just now, sort of cracking around. Just a little bit of daylight out there. shine through these windows in the back right over here. Oh, my head, that far. You guys have a great day. I'm going to let you go. Talk to you later. Remember one another in your thoughts and prayers.